Welcome to our guide on public IPTV playlists. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to access and use these playlists for endless free streaming. First, let's clarify what IPTV is. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, allowing you to watch live TV over the internet instead of traditional cable. Now, you might be asking, where can I find these public IPTV playlists? A great resource is GitHub, specifically the IPTV repository, where you'll find a massive collection of publicly available channels. Next, let's download a playlist. You can access websites like FreeTV to get auto-generated M3U8 playlists. They offer playlists organized by country, category, or language, making it super simple to find exactly what you want. Once you've downloaded a playlist, open your preferred media player like VLC or Kodi, and simply load the M3U file. Make sure to check for the latest updates to the playlist, as links can become outdated. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Many newcomers forget to verify the source of their playlists, which can lead to unreliable streams. Always choose playlists from trusted sources. Another mistake is not updating your playlists regularly. To ensure uninterrupted streaming, set a reminder to check for updates weekly. For a better experience, consider using dedicated IPTV applications like TVMate, which offers a user-friendly interface and advanced features for managing your playlists. Remember, each app may have its specific requirements for loading playlists, so check the instructions carefully. Finally, if you want to enjoy a wider variety of channels, look for playlists containing 15,000+ channels. These comprehensive lists provide options across genres, ensuring there's something for everyone. By following these steps, you'll unlock a treasure trove of content right from your couch. So get started today and enjoy free live TV with public IPTV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips.